With no doors open today, we are here with our loud takes on big tech. My name is Hussein Zodi and welcome to the Tech Take Show. We usually have PCs out there that would be working to someone who has no PC, but we decide to keep them on shelf because they got spoiled, because something on it is no longer working. We keep procrastinating about getting it fixed, but we never get it fixed, and in most cases, you'll buy a new PC and keep that old PC somewhere. So, I was of the suggestion, why don't we get those PCs and give them to students who would go and repair them? We could be fostering the next IT generation in Uganda. I also strongly believe this shouldn't stop only at PCs. If you have phones out there that you're not using, there is someone who could be using that phone and probably who could be on the internet doing educative things. Yes, there are also bad things, but we will focus on only looking at the positives here. And maybe that person would take that phone that you have in your shelf and probably fix it up and probably start using it tomorrow. If you're ready to take action, I'm going to call on to you to go to your TikTok, to go to whatever social media you're using and share that device so that someone can pick it up. And if you can't, please reach out to me and I'll find a suitable home for your device. I also want you to know that I'm not preaching something I'm not doing, so let me show you exactly what I did with mine and maybe you can do something similar. I am officially retiring one of my PCs. Yes, this can no longer work for me. Well, we all know I'm not sponsored by any brand yet, so for now you will have to deal with the old PC. But probably future come, I'll probably be giving out good-looking PCs, yeah? Now this PC is a Lenovo ThinkPad X270. It's an i7 with 8 GB RAM. Yeah, the video is on my TikTok. If you want to see it, please go check out my TikTok. I strongly believe this is one way we can fight e-waste and also help out other people that are in need of technology but cannot access it. So, if you're out there and you're also willing to participate in this with me, please reach out to me on my socials. I'm at Hussein Akuji on all platforms. So, DM me and let's talk. You can also reach out to me on email. If you're a company and you also feel like this is something that you would like to get behind, please, I'm ready to work with anyone. Thank you so much, and hopefully I see you in this campaign that I'm running. For those who are unable to participate in the campaign, please just share the video, let it reach everywhere, let it reach far and wide, and it could be something that would spark something for another person. I'll be publishing everything on my website, which is techtake.online. So please check it out. And if you have anything, there'll be a form there that you can submit to, and also any other donations that you would be willing to do. Remember this, the world changes when you change it, when you take action. That's it for today. See you in the next one. Oh, God. I just hope I'm able to help one kid, just one kid.